Hello there. Today we're taking a journey inside the human body to explore a system that's vital for survival, the urinary system. Think of it as the body's ultimate waste disposal service, working tirelessly to keep us clean and balanced. Without it, toxins would overwhelm us and life wouldn't be possible. The urinary system's main job? Filtering our blood. As our cells work, they create waste, just like a city creates rubbish. The urinary system collects this waste and removes it as urine. It's a process of precision, deciding what to keep and what to discard, always maintaining balance. But it's not just plumbing, it's a master of chemistry, regulating blood pressure, red blood cell production, and the balance of salts and water. Every day, it processes an incredible amount of fluid, sorting it with efficiency that rivals any factory. So let's dive in and meet the key players, the organs that make this all happen. From the filtering kidneys to the storage tank of the bladder, each part has a crucial role. This is the story of filtration, storage, and expulsion, a journey from blood to the loo. Welcome to the world of the urinary system. Our story features four main organs. First, the kidneys, two bean-shaped powerhouses below your ribcage, acting as sophisticated filtration plants. Next, the ureters, thin tubes that transport urine from each kidney to the bladder. The bladder is a muscular, expandable storage tank in your lower abdomen, patiently collecting urine. Finally, the urethra, the exit tube that allows urine to leave the body. Together, these organs form a seamless pathway for waste removal. The kidneys are packed with millions of tiny filters. The ureters use smooth muscle to push urine down, preventing backflow. The bladder stretches as it fills, with nerves that signal when it's time to go. The urethra is controlled by sphincter muscles, keeping the exit closed until you're ready. Each organ is perfectly designed for its job, but their teamwork is what makes the system extraordinary. Remember this cast: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, the bladder and the urethra. They're the unsung heroes of our internal world. Now, let's take a closer look at the stars of the show, the kidneys. Discover how they clean our blood with remarkable precision. At the heart of the urinary system are the kidneys, the champions of filtration. Every day, your entire blood supply passes through them multiple times. Their main job: remove waste and excess water to produce urine. The most famous waste product is urea, made in the liver when proteins break down. If urea builds up, it's toxic, so the kidneys act as selective filters. They let waste and extra fluid pass, but keep what the body needs, like proteins and blood cells. It's like a bouncer at an exclusive club. Nutrients and red blood cells get back in, while waste is shown the door. Your kidneys filter about 180 litres of fluid daily, enough to fill a bathtub. But over 99% of that fluid is reabsorbed, so we only produce a small amount of urine. The kidneys reclaim water and useful substances, leaving behind a concentrated solution of waste. They're not just sieves, they constantly adjust to your body's needs. Drink more water and they make dilute urine. Get dehydrated and they conserve water. This balancing act, called homeostasis, is vital for life. The kidneys are master regulators, keeping our internal environment just right. Zoom in on a kidney and you'll find about 1 million nephrons in each one, tiny filtration stations. Each nephron starts with a glomerulus, a ball of capillaries where water, salts and waste are filtered out of the blood. Large particles like proteins and blood cells stay in the blood. As the filtrate travels through the nephron's tubule, useful substances like water and glucose are reabsorbed. Only true waste continues on, becoming urine. Millions of nephrons work together, collecting urine into larger tubes, then the renal pelvis. From there, urine is ready to leave the kidney via the ureter. This microscopic army is what makes our kidneys so effective. After filtration, urine needs a place to go. Enter the bladder. Urine trickles down the ureters and collects in this expandable muscular sac in the pelvis. The bladder's job is to store urine until it's convenient to release it. It can hold 400, 600 milliliters in adults, stretching as it fills. Stretch receptors in the bladder wall send signals to the brain as it fills, giving you a gentle nudge to find a restroom. Ignore the first signal, and the urge becomes stronger. The bladder's communication with the brain is a perfect feedback loop. Sphincters keep the exit sealed until you're ready. It's a simple, elegant system of storage and communication. The bladder patiently holds on until the final command to release. The journey nears its end. The bladder is full and you're ready. The final stage is urination or micturition, where the urethra takes center stage. The urethra connects the bladder to the outside, controlled by two sphincters. When you decide to go, the bladder contracts and the sphincters relax, allowing urine to flow out. In females, the urethra is short, about 4 centimeters. In males, it's longer, passing through the prostate and penis. This difference affects health, but the function is the same. The final passageway for urine. The waste filtered and stored is expelled. A simple act, but the result of a complex process. This process is essential for health, keeping our internal environment stable. The urethra's great escape is the final chapter in waste disposal. And with that, the journey is complete. Sometimes things go wrong, like urinary tract infections or UTIs. A UTI is an infection anywhere along the urinary tract, usually caused by bacteria like E. coli. These bacteria can travel from the anus to the urethra, especially in women whose urethra is shorter. Bacteria may infect the urethra, urethritis, or bladder, cystitis, and in rare cases reach the kidneys, pyelonephritis. Symptoms include frequent urination, burning, cloudy urine, and lower abdominal pain. UTIs are more common in women due to anatomy. Most are easily treated with antibiotics. It's a reminder that while robust, the urinary system isn't invincible. Recognizing symptoms early is key. Take care and seek help if you notice signs of infection. Keeping your urinary system healthy is simple. Drink plenty of water to help your kidneys flush out waste. Good hygiene, like wiping front to back and urinating after sex, helps prevent UTIs. Don't hold urine for too long. Listen to your body's signals. A balanced diet and regular exercise support kidney health. Manage conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes to protect your kidneys. Simple steps keep your urinary system working smoothly for years to come. As our journey ends, let's appreciate this remarkable system. The urinary system quietly purifies, regulates and disposes of waste, keeping us healthy. Every part, from the microscopic nephrons to the patient bladder, is perfectly adapted for its role. Our choices, what we drink, eat, and how we care for ourselves, impact its function. It works without us thinking, but relies on us to keep it healthy. Next time you take a comfort break, remember the incredible journey that liquid has taken. The urinary system is a silent guardian, one of nature's finest creations, and it truly is wonderful.